used to be there. We never expected that this area will develop like this. Today, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh inaugurated 20 industries, laid the foundation for more than 10 industries. Almost 30 industries going to come in this region, a small backward area of Rayalaseema. And I don't think anywhere in India or any state in India, 20 industries started in one day. The entire credit goes to the government of Andhra Pradesh, the Chief Minister of Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and also Mr. Ravi Sanna Reddy. Earlier he was Sanna Reddy, now he has become a Lau Reddy. And when he started, I opposed him. When he started, I opposed him. I thought that he has come here to take the land and taking away from the poor people, and he may not give it back to the nation. But after a long time, and I think after 3 years, he has stood on his promise. What he said, he has delivered to the nation. We are happy. We congratulate him. And I am very happy that his father, from a humble beginning, Ravi Sanna Reddy, from a humble beginning, rose up to this level. And I wholeheartedly congratulate him and Mr. Sriniraju, who is also here, who contributed something to this SC. Before I like to, because of the paucity of time, I like to say a few words about reforms, next about the region, and then Sri City. In 1991, when P.V. Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister, I was his junior minister. I was sitting him in the Parliament House, he was sitting in his Prime Minister chair in room number 10 in Parliament House. I asked him, sir, in 1971, you were the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. I spoke to him in Telugu, but for variety of reasons, I like to say in English. In 1971, when you were the Chief Minister, you have gone for land reforms. You are for the poor people of this country. Now today, you are going for reforms, industrial reforms, that goes to say you are going towards the rich. I mean, I cannot forget to mention what he said. I have to tell what he said, because in this august audience, I have to say what the great man said. He said, in 1971, yes, I went for land reforms. I tried to help the poor people of this country. I was removed from the Chief Ministership of Andhra Pradesh. No poor man has come to my rescue, including Bhattini Subba Rao, who was the minister at that time. You see, I am going for pro-rich reforms. You wait and see, I may not be alive, but all people will be singing songs about me after me. You wait and see, Chinta Mohan, he said. I am seeing now everybody is speaking of reforms. And I am also started saying reforms are good for the country. At that time, I never realized that reforms going to help us. But you see, in 1991, there was little money of foreign exchange available with the government of India. They were not having enough foreign exchange to purchase even the 10 tons of fertilizer. That was the situation in 1991. But the Congress party and then government run by Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao brought reforms all over the country. And whether he has done good or bad, I do not want to go to in detail, but I like to say one word about Narasimha Rao. He did a wonderful thing of bringing Mr. Dr. Manmohan Singh as the Finance Minister of India. One Finance Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, changed the entire economy of the nation. That time in 1991, there was nothing to purchase. Today, where are we? I mean, even countries like America looking towards our economy. A country like China is prejudiced about us. In this region, Bharat is going forward. Even our European countries are looking towards us. This is the fate of the country today, and It is all because of Dr. Manmohan Singh and Srimati Sonia Gandhi. Sonia Gandhi made him the Prime Minister. In his 8 years, Dr. Manmohan Singh revolutionized the entire economy of this country. And other day I was sitting with him. I asked him, sir, why you are giving 7,500 crores to Bangladesh as a free gift? He said, we have no problem in giving 7,500 crores because we are with rich of resources today. This is the state of affairs in the country, and our country, everyone in the world looking towards India. It is just because P.V. Narasimha Rao brought Dr. Manmohan Singh as a finance minister. Srimati Sonia Gandhi blessed him as a finance minister. One man is able to change the entire shape of the country. And now what I want to say, this is your social responsibility. At least 20 industries started today. If all of you start and bring one man up like Dr. Manmohan Singh, they can change the whole shape of the country. And today the poor people do not have food to eat. I am not talking about the rural areas. Rural areas much better. In the urban areas, like place like Kalahasti, Tirupati, the rural, the urban poor people, they are suffering from a lack of food, shelter, all kinds of things. So this is your social responsibility to see that the poor people of this country is supported. Mr. C.D. Raju was telling me all the time, I am a socialist, though I have become a capitalist now, I am prepared to help the poor people of this area. I request you to see that the jobs, not the menial jobs, what you are given to my people of this area, give the jobs, better jobs, where they can sit and talk, where they can sit and work, that kind of jobs to be given to the people of this region. About this region, I like to say a word. I never expected Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu, I went and asked him, kindly recommend Duggarajapatanam also to the central government. I never expected. This is not a small decision to recommend with so much of pressures on him. He was so kind, and that goes to speak about his integrity and his dedication to the area. He was so kind to recommend on behalf of the government of Andhra Pradesh to the center, recommending Duggarajapatanam. Duggarajapatanam, I with all your blessings and blessings of Lord Venkateswara of Tirupati, that Duggarajapatanam is going to become a seaport, with a seaport in Krishnapattanam, seaport in Duggarajapatanam, nearby Chennai and Ennore. These 3-4 ports going to develop the economy of this country. I am expecting that in another 10 to 15 years time, Chittoor and Nellore districts going to be like Hong Kong. And I am expecting another 100 big industries like Mannavaram to come. And that is going to change the shape of this area. And finally, coming to the Sri City, no doubt it is doing well, but we are not very happy with Sri City, what they are doing. And we expect you to do better and help the poor people, not bringing 30 companies here, but the 30 companies' social responsibility is to deliver back to the people. Then only we will be happy. What the reforms brought by late P.V. Narasimha Rao and Madam Sonia Gandhi, and that reform should go to the poor, then only the country will prosper. With these few words, I conclude. Thank you, sir.